this video, I'll be talking about I got my hot racing 76 tooth 48 pitch steel spur gear. This is your boy Bobby's RC back with another video about RC cars and trucks. Let's get right into the video, guys. I got my hot racing 76 tooth 48 pitch metal spur gear today. I done got a motor for it. I just had an extra motor laying around, and now I just need an ESC, and this thing will be ready for its first run here pretty darn soon. And yeah, I know that's not the right nut, but I just put that on there for right now, but I'll find one for it. This is just a little update. You know what, guys? Now I'm beginning to like a metal spur gear. What does everybody else use? Oh yeah, you like my little stand? Bird food. Whatever works, right? And I don't know if I'll put this card, well, on my radio link transmitter. I'm really not sure just yet. I might just put a regular Traxxas receiver in it, and a transmitter over there. I got plenty of them. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And as always, don't forget to turn on the notification bell for updates when I upload a video on YouTube, so you all can be the first to get notified to watch my videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Yep, and I am running front shocks all the way around for the front and the rear. Alright, well, stay safe, everybody. Have a good evening, and I will talk to you later.